It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night beneath the mistletoe. It's cold outside, 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 outside. It's cold outside, outside.
Good morning guys, it's Mel here. Today I'm really excited. We're going skiing for the first time of the year, and I haven't skied like in the past couple of years because obviously I was away in Portugal, so there's no ski there. I'm really excited. I love skiing, so we're going today. Right now it's kind of cloudy, but hopefully it's gonna clear out. It's been quite hot the past couple of days, like for New Year, so hopefully the snow is great. I just looked up the webcams and it's looking great so far. There's the sunset, like there's some snow, so I'm really looking forward to skiing. And I'm meeting my cousins like at his home, so I need to bring 2 helmets and also the ski sticks, so hopefully I can take that with my little scooter, so I need to figure that out. So I put this here and this here. I was really scared because it would fall off, but that's okay. And this is my outfit.
Even though you wouldn't do the same, I'd give you the world like I promised I would. Even though you wouldn't do the same. Had this conversation more than 10 times. After 9, I still wish you were mine. Haven't ate in 7 days, 'cause I've been up till 6 a.m. Wrote 5 songs all just for you. 3 of them I can't bear listening to. I'd give you the world like I promised I would. Even though you wouldn't do the same. I'd give you the world like I promised I would. Even though you wouldn't do the same.
So we just arrived up there and we're starting to ski. It's still very cloudy, so hopefully it's gonna clear out. And it's so pretty. There's like a lake that's completely iced.
There's a new day that will come again tomorrow. There's a new day to wash away the pain. There's a new day to take away your sorrow. And the old ways get washed out by the rain. Darling, you've got to keep holding on through the night, 'cause I promise you this: if you try to get some sleep, if you give up
so pretty. It's a lake.
There's a new day to leave behind your troubles. There's a new day and it will set you free. There's a new day to get you through your struggles. I will always think of you and me. Darling, you've got to keep holding on through the night, 'cause I promise you this: if you try to get some sleep, if you give up the fight, if only just for a bit, there's a new day. It is waiting for us. There's a new day waiting round the bend. There's a new day and it will restore us.
So it's 4:30 now. We wanted to go down until the parking by skiing, but the slopes are closed down there because of the snow. It isn't too good, so we're gonna do one last slope up there and go down by train again. And there's not much people now. Whoa. This is our last slope with the sunset. It's so pretty. Yay! It's getting close and dark, and we're gonna take the train. So the slopes are getting close now, and we're gonna go down by train. It's 5 o'clock, we're still waiting for the train. My thighs are so burned. I'm gonna have so much pain tomorrow. And the sky is so beautiful, the sunset, look at that. Wow, so pretty. At the restaurant now, and we're gonna eat some Asian food. I'm really excited. Oh my god, I just came back home. It's like 10:30 p.m. so it's quite late. I slept all the way back there, so 1 hour and a half, but I'm so sore. Like my legs, they are so freaking sore, and also my abs, because I was kind of scrunched in the car. My legs, they were getting sore during dinner, which is weird because normally you get like sore the next day. So hopefully tomorrow isn't going to be worse than that. I think I'm just gonna like get ready for bed and watch some K-drama. Today was really fun. I love skiing so much, and dinner was really good as well. The weather wasn't the best, but it didn't rain. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys!